road. There's a fork, comes off to the left, and this mountain's 4,500 foot tall. There's an old lookout tower base right there. There's a bunch of like tower equipment. My dad actually built that.
Probably not.
Probably don't need 60
Left
FPS.
right here. This is where I got turned around. Get a photo of the sign. It's pretty epic right here.
Yeah.
I'll let you go first.
Let me change my resolution back. And well, don't think I need flash yet. Alright, good.
Oh, this tree swaying so heavily.
Public snap map and everybody. I threw my first snowball yesterday, helped one of my coworkers. Actually, two of my coworkers.
I haven't thrown my
He
first
smacked it and it turned into a buckshot and covered the guy behind him.
This is the good wet stuff that just compacts to ice.
Oh, good golly. That'd make a good snowman.
Oh, dude, we should totally make a snowman. When we get to the top of the mountain, we gotta make one. Here we go. We'll make a little 3-man.
James, you gotta add to it.
That would be a perfect head.
You can balance
This
it.
is the body. Oh, all right.
There you go. We need some sticks. Weeds will work, I guess. He's got long, stringy arms. We can make him a slender man.
We'll make a big one when we get.
We need eyes.
These little
Here's a nose.
needles.
These are a nose. Nose.
Maybe you can,
I can lay one sideways to make a smile.
let's get some spruce needles. Make hair.
Make a whole weave a top hat. He's an alien.
He's a bug. It's a bug's life.
It's a bug.
Dang it.
There's a little strip piece of wood.
Give me some
Oh,
hair
shoot, it fell off.
transplants. Oh my god, this snow's too compacted.
Yeah, I'm trying to shove that in and I think my finger's melting it. And it won't stick.
I had to open up the show.
I love that. This is beautiful.
Perfect.
This is what we do in our free time. I love it.
How much? Oh, dude. It goes way.
Oh yeah, I'm walking on snow.
No, that's
Goodness.
probably a foot. A foot? Right at a foot, I would say.
We're out driving in this stuff.
No, there's no way we would have made it up. That's the side of the road. The middle of the road's right here.
Oh, well, it's 10 inches.
About halfway up your shin.
That's like 7.5.
7.5, 8. Yeah, that sounds about right.
My boots are 10 inches, so.
Well, 4,500 foot.
Or well, no, because you gotta add. So yeah, that is at least 10 inches because
Yeah.
of my 2-inch heel.
That's probably a foot. Right? Oh my god, it's ridiculous. I love this so much.
Snowshoes would be great.
Get some paracord who can make some real quick.
Should have got some M1 Grands and we could reenact Korea.
My grandpa's smiling right now.
Just gotta be trying to hold the sling of your rifle.
You gotta have a. Oh, dude, whoa, check it out. There's a ice crystal on the spider web. It throws it solid. That's crazy. That's wild.
What happened to
I'm
the
glad
spiders?
I brought my snow pants.
Maybe I shouldn't charge for the metal.
If
Yeah,
your
so-
side ain't much easier, buddy. back will be way easier.
I'm waiting to step in a mud puddle. Or an ice puddle.
Luckily, it's all shallow rooted. All the water's at the bottom for this part. It's scary.
I love it.
Almost to the top. Oh my god, it's ridiculous. It keeps getting deeper and deeper every step. Yeah.
Going up this single file. Oh. At least when we come back down, we might have a path to walk in.
Dude, I think we've hit the 4,000 foot mark. We're not even compacting to the ground. We're walking on it. We're still underneath. We definitely not be able to see the foundation of the fire.
We'll dig it up.
Big concrete pad. But there's some like radio over here. Bring a shovel.
No?
Thank you.
What do you need one the shovel for?
Both damn good.
Just stay here. Starts flattening out up here. Don't know if it'll be much easier walking through the snow.
Almost there.
A fire tower, do you mean like a lookout tower or a
An old one.
radio tower?
It was a lookout tower back in the day. There's the Greenbrier River Valley to our right. So you can look up, see the edge of the plateau, and look over and see like Hillsborough. This mountain is like in between Marlington and Hillsborough. Stamping people.
Yeah.
Alright, so we can start right. Now we're in the spruces.
Still pretty deep, but I think we're walking on top of it frozen. Yeah, so that'll say it's right there.
Yep, we're here. How's the radio stop and get warm? Here's the old radio tower. My dad built this.
I hope it's like this week before Christmas and the week of Christmas.
Oh yeah.
I took off this 2 weeks.
Nice.
Got a bunch of time I gotta burn.
Rear tracks. Obvious.
Give you $5 if you climb up there and stick your face right in front of the antennas for like an hour.
Alright.
Melt your face off.
There's a weather station right here. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Here's a good place to measure the depth of snow.
Go dump a bottle of water out.
Yes.
It's raining. A lot.
Why is it flooding? Well, fellas, what do you think? Worth it?
Yeah, beautiful. Well, spin around and take a picture, but then I remember I got a camera on my head.
Already done it for you. Wow. Good place to cool off.
Yeah. Cool off. Found our shelter. Nice spot to lay down right there.
Right in the spruces. Oh, it's epic.
Have to build a big windbreak right there, but
There's some tracks right here. See that?
yeah.
100%.
They come from that way, I think. Actually, I don't know which way they're coming, but there's some over there.
You see two big rear end ones? They're snowshoe hares. Or Allegany cottontails. I'm gonna take my backpack off. That ain't your own. Yeah. I'd rather go overkill and not freeze to death. At least the wall will keep you warm.
More
Yeah.
panorama. Get some panorama shots here.
I'll have to log it back on so it'll look like it's left.
I didn't mean to get you in that. You're like on the very end.
It's all good.
I'll crop you out.
Nah.
I was trying to get as wide as I could.
We'll compare iPhone pictures to what you got, Samsung.
Yeah. The S24, I think.
I have a 1 decader. Hey.
I got 2 smogs if you need one. I'm wearing them both right now.
Wind feels pretty good, not gonna lie. Poncho is overkill.
What's the temperature out here?
It's probably 35, 34, maybe 32. None of the snow's melting, so it's got to be at least freezing.
It says it's 32 in Hillsboro. Feels like 20.
It's probably.
I don't know. Don't feel like 20.
We're sheltered by these spruce trees too. We're not
Yeah.
gonna win. Hold on, I gotta investigate.
Probably just driving around until we find something else to go to.
What's further down the other way? Does it head out anywhere, or is it the dead end?
It heads towards Hillsboro. Does it come out down there?
So you know where Hills Creek is? Where it dumps in the
No.
Greenbrier?
I don't know names up here.
Droop Mountain.
I've heard of it.
It comes in south of Hillsboro, but south, just right next to Droop Mountain is where that road. It takes you out along the ridge. I highly doubt that's passable right now because it's completely wind exposed, and it's like you're at 4,500 foot and you're just overlooking the Greenbrier River Valley. Like, but it's a rough road even without snow.
Yeah.
I've driven out part of it, had to turn around. That was my dad's truck. It was bad.
Goodness.
But this road, it just takes you a lot along the ridge, and eventually it'll dump you back. You can come out on back on the scenic forest somewhere. I can't remember. It's just some Forest Service road, but it's gated.
I'm tempted to climb this.
I suggest something.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, that's slip or fall. I'm sure there's ice under that snow.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Somebody's bedded right there, it looks like. Kind of bird. 2 spots.
Yeah.
Just sprint into the woods, never to be seen again.
Yeah, dude. This is how deep the snow is. Still going.
I don't think he'd be able to sprint through all the snow.
Fall down, tumble all the way to the bottom of the mountain.
Yeah. Start rolling.
And more energy efficient.
Yeah. Energy efficient, healing all your broken bones.
I stood up too fast and saw the stars.
Need some
When a
iron.
friend with low iron stands up.
I
Do
probably
it.
have iron deficiency.
We could go lick the metal fence. Especially in this temperatures. Help.
Oh, moving.
Portrait mode is a lot better. Alright, let's build a snowman over here.
I have 1 bar of LTE. I got AT&T.
I had 2 bars of 5G down over the hill there. I don't know how that happened.
Maybe all the radio waves disrupt themselves or something. I don't know if it works like that.
Frequencies are really far apart.
No.
I forget what 4G is, probably at least. I think old cell phones were at least 800 megahertz. Those are probably like
I know your speakers go off before you actually get the
450 or 4. I don't know whose this is. Fire department.
That is like EMS, first responders.
Probably around 460 something.
Yeah. Oh, the Bluetooth connection.
Oh shit. I get it packed together and then it won't roll. It's good to pack together, but it doesn't stick together while you're rolling it. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm having a bad time. I think it might be too cold. It's chipping
it might
apart.
not be forming properly. Sorry.
I roll it over once and it just crumbles.
Try packing it more.
I think I got it figured out now.
I should have invested in Bitcoin.
Should have invested in snow.
Oh no,
They traveled halfway across the state.
Look what they've done to my boy.
Traveled halfway across the state to build a snowman.
No! Alright. I got it. Chungus.
Mine's a little blocky.
It's a Minecraft snowman. It's legit just square. Let's make it a 1 meter by 1 meter block.
This is cavemen when they were trying to invent the wheel.
Well, let's put the snowman right in front of the gate.
Just build a wall around the tower.
Yeah, the good stuff. I'll go scavenge some sticks. That's good. Good God, Rick.
I'm figuring this thing out.
I think it breaks my hands are hurting.
You should put your gloves on.
Are they not waterproof?
No, I wanted to cool down. I cooled down way too fast. Now I'm good. I'm good on my neck.
Just roll this all the way back down to the truck.
That would be amazing.
Probably get away from us. If you could keep it together.
7 foot tall.
Oh shoot, I broke the corner off.
Yeah, that might be a problem.
Might just break them off the bottom of the pine tree. These bottom sticks aren't.
They cut them every day.
Oh. This is going to be here like until the springtime.
Oh yeah, we gotta come back and check on it. Or since we're like, why is our gate weird?
They're going to give us a contract.
Yeah, government efficiency. Alright, I got the football back on. Flat here.
Shoot.
I got 2 sticks.
This is the workout I needed.
This'll do.
Should have brought my cowboy hat up for this guy. Just to put my rifle in it. I ain't hiking back down there and back up.
What are you doing in Pocahontas County after?
Build snowman.
One of the highest points in the state.
I think this is like the 12th highest point in the state.
I want to go to Spruce Knob.
Spruce Knob's huge. Snowshoe Mountain, Cheat Mountain second. It's like 48.85. Spruce Knob's almost 49. It's like 48.87.
He's going down to the grass.
Spruce Knob's only 300 foot taller than that makes you feel good.
Oh,
Oh no.
You can climb from here to there and be a Spruce Knob respect.
once I get to,
Holy mother of glaciers.
I figured it out.
What's the trick? We gotta round it down.
Just go real soft. You don't need to pack it in.
The weight of the snow will take care of it.
Yeah, that's all you get right there.
The real question is how the hell are we going to lift this sucker up to the second level? It's going to be a
There you go.
two-man job.
We need Matthew.
Matthew's really missing out.
Help us build snowman.
Matthew would love this for his Instagram story. Impress all those women at work. He's
Pretty
got
sure
a camera on the side, so.
We're gonna dedicate the snowman to Peanut the squirrel.
That might be big enough for this.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, that'll be.
By the time
We gotta level this off somehow. It's kind of lumpy.
We'll just give it two bulbous bases.
He's stocky. He's built different.
Close enough.
God, I can't even really lift this thing.
Is it a 2-person lift? Is
It
over
might
50
crumble.
pounds? All right,
Yeah.
let's try to compact
Hold
it
on,
down.
let's get it closer. Yeah,
Look.
compactor.
Compact it so it's less likely to fall apart when we pick it up.
Worst case scenario, we just have to mold it like they did in SpongeBob. Mold and brush. All that belongs in the trash.
Pioneers used to ride these babies from home.
It's not a boulder. It's a rock. That's not a snowman.
It's frosty.
Having so much fun.
All right, that's a good flat
Oh,
side.
it's popping out this side. Yeah, give that some love. Roll it on that side one good time. It should really secure that.
This is gonna be the flat that goes up there, I guess. There's
Yeah.
even a little divot for the bulb.
The bulb.
The bulb. I don't know snowman anatomy.
I need to send you to nursing school.
I'd be terrified.
Okay.
All right, guys.
I'm not liking the idea of this is gonna explode.
We're gonna make the third one way smaller.
This is
That's the third one.
done.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
It already
I can make
cracked.
a mitten out of it.
I'll squeeze
Put
this
up a
side.
stick or something.
Oh my god, it's so fucking heavy. Oh no, it's cracking. Okay, well, let's just put it up.
Just set it down here.
Oh my god, this
We
is.
can use the leftovers for the head.
I'm gonna send this to mom.
Your mom's so worried. Ripped up top of
No,
her.
I'm not even gonna send it to her. I'm just gonna post it on Facebook and all that.
Make that one a little bigger. Let's make this like a 4-decker. Here, let me
Snow
add,
centipede.
let me add a little bit of love right here.
Too bad there's no cattails around here. You can use that as a nose.
Should have brought a carrot.
I was trying to remember what was in that box I have.
Oh my god, this wind. Alright, gloves are back on. This is ridiculous. Yo, cool my hands are.
What?
It doesn't feel much difference in my face.
Your face is numb, my hands are numb.
What happened?
I'm not gonna. Oh, you're stepping on the arms.
Oh no, sorry.
Okay.
I can't even get my
These are
gloves
kind
back
of hard to
on.
break.
I have a hate-love relationship with these gloves because they
So,
come with the
which
line.
way is he facing?
That way. We'll face it that way.
That way.
Or do you want the tower in the back?
Maybe
Kind
we
of
should-
show that we're like up high,
Oh yeah, let's do the
We
tower.
could do that, yeah.
So we'll have him.
look down the road, but like
we'll
have
get some
tower in front.
different angles. We can take the hands and feet out and move it around.
spin the
We'll
head.
make it pose.
Break his neck.
Make it do it. Fingers are numb. I can't maneuver them.
Just shove him in there.
I'm trying.
All right, here's the head.
I'll do it this way.
He's already got a nose.
He's very strong.
Let's make it a 4-decker. Let's add one more bigger one than the head.
I don't think we
A
can.
big one
Yes,
on
we
top
can.
of the head.
We absolutely, James. I want this to be the biggest snowman of all time.
It's already the biggest snowman I've ever built.
We need to level that off a little more.
Well,
But
let's just make a family. Dude, someone's gonna come up here and be like, what the hell? There's an army of snowmen at the top of this mountain.
It's going to be a mystery equivalent to the.
Stonehenge.
I was thinking Easter
Metal
Island, but
obelisk?
yeah.
Oh yeah, that too. Dude, we need to carve out Easter Island in this. That'd be like the emoji.
Dig underground too and build the base on them. I don't know if that's a real thing or just a conspiracy.
I do think some of them have heat. Not all of them, but some of them do.
Hang on.
I'm thinking they placed it at the top of a barrel mount and they kept burying stuff so it covered the base of the statues.
Mm-hmm.
No, we're going for 5 actually. I lied. I'm going engineer over here.
You were too busy thinking whether or not you could.
That's probably plenty big enough for that
Yeah, that
base.
could be a good base. That's kind of large. All right then.
Just don't sit down. Yeah, too hard.
It's all lumpy.
Look how beautiful this is.
Are we going to keep the
past
arms
me
down?
And
Are we going to move the arms up or leave them where they are?
Let's make it 6 foot tall. I'm about 6'2", about right here.
LeBron.
It wants to walk.
LeBron.
Let's get it back a little bit.
I'm gonna wedge that in. Oh no, it's cracking.
Oh no, it's okay.
I'm gonna wedge that in.
Yeah. I'll get some right here. This is not the most amazing. I'm having the time of my life, guys. I don't think y'all understand how much fun I'm having right now.
More fun than you should be having.
We've actually inverted the ground.
The grass will thank us.
Oh, springtime and the more snow. Ah. Or saved it just now. That piece fell off and I just picked it up back on.
I didn't compact this one real well.
And by the time that's packed down, the head goes on. Oh, we need another wedge right there.
With sand like this. Just
They just patted it.
It was not aliens.
It's
It was
the Da Vinci
It was a bunch of friends. Got to get
Oh.
out.
Oh no,
the front fell.
the wedge.
His tumor.
The wedge.
He's bleeding out.
Quick.
Did I really just get a LinkedIn notification up here?
You got a job. Job notification.
Job.
No,
Next
now
man.
that I have a really good job, I like to brag on LinkedIn like a finance bro. I'm just kidding, I don't do that. That's the most pompous thing I could possibly do. Hey guys, new certification. Coming for that manager spot, bro.
I got all my certifications linked in. Plumbing, the
I don't have
electrical.
a LinkedIn. Maybe that's why I'm not getting that interviews or calls back.
Oh, that scared me. How hard you said that.
Dude,
now.
this is literally a 6 foot tall snowman.
Snowman centipede.
Oh shoot.
You doofus.
I am a doofus. Twist that in there.
This is not like a snowman. This is like an obscure rock formation.
This is the one.
The spire.
Snow
Those rock
goon.
stacks.
Like a creepypasta.
It's a
Alright.
snow goon.
Take a picture, add like a dark outline and red eyes, make it a creepypasta. A dark spire of spruce. Wherever we're at.
Now, what are we going to do for eyes and nose and all that
Let's
stuff?
get creative. Let's figure it out.
Dig up some dirt.
Let's
Stick
get
them.
some spruce needles
Let's go over to the coal mine.
and give it like a full
I need 2 pieces of coal.
I need 2 pieces of coal. Comical. All right.
Oh, we could give him a mustache.
If we can find some spruce cones, those could be.
This is his mustache.
I got a smile.
I'll get. You want me to do the hair?
Sure.
Or it could be hair too as well.
Get a needle, a little branch of needles for a mustache.
Oh,
It's
alright.
gonna be a small.
Alright, well, we got some hair going on. Those little plants would work great for hair.
They would actually.
Come on, stick to his face. I will just give him a mustache. Everything won't stick.
What the hell is that? What are we doing here? Why is the hair going? This man's giving this man dreads.
That's not very sturdy.
Here, I'm trying to.
Daggone it, nothing will stick to this guy. He's too cold.
Warm him up.
Take him inside. They're cold. The mountain lion.
Oh man.
Let's see what I have in my pockets. I got an
Trying to give
inhaler,
him eyes.
Oh.
car keys. Oh,
I don't know what the hell to do. We need some gravel. There's some gravel on the road. There's got to be gravel.
If you can get to the road.
that makes this place sound terrible.
Huh.
If you can get to the road. I'll put my hat on when we're done.
Yeah, I'm not hiking all the way back down to that road.
Those are the wrong hands.
Yeah.
They're close enough.
He's already special. That's not gonna work.
Yeah, I can't get nothing to stick to his face with.
Well, I mean, it's close enough.
Needs eyeballs.
You have any quarters?
I have a challenge coin.
That's all you carry?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got a couple 20s. Oh. Have one of these.
Oh, yeah, that's a key. Exactly, he needs keys. He's a hard worker. He's got key privileges.
Oh, I love this. I got the eyes.
Okay, you do?
Challenge coin and a set of keys.
I have a better idea for hair. Can we give him eyebrows? These would be perfect bushy eyebrows.
Might be able to make small out of the keys, maybe.
Oh, no.
Your challenge coin.
Oh shoot. I don't want to lose that. I've
Never
had
be
that
seen
for a long
again.
time.
This is beautiful, Rick.
Try. It should be pretty warm. It should melt into the snow, right? Or is it in your pocket?
It's jiggling.
I don't think he's very stable. I don't think you should put this on your engineer accomplishment list.
Thank God I'm not
Put
an
this
engineer.
in. Put this in your
LinkedIn.
on your LinkedIn.
Professional snowman builder.
There we go.
That's so good.
I'm taking a
He's
picture
leaning
before
in
we
the lap,
accidentally
too.
break it off.
I was gonna say.
Oh, that's perfect.
I absolutely love that.
This is so stupid. Oh. I got one bar 5G.
Oh no, the freaking wind blew it off.
Oh. I'm gonna lose my keys. They're gonna melt into the snowman. Where'd they go? Oh no. We're stuck. No, we could still get out. I got my key fob still. That's all I need.
Snow Picasso.
What was that? Snow? I don't know if it was wind or snow. Let's see.
The wind's pretty good up here. But we're
Dude, the wind,
protected.
yeah, the spruce trees, that's why all these animals love spruce forests.
That owls would be.
Dude, owls, there's a type of owl over here called a northern saw-whet owl. They only live in the spruce.
Oh, there we go. 2 bars of 5G now.
This is probably as far south as they go then.
Well, they go to the Smoky Mountains. They got spruce
Oh.
forests down there too.
I've been to Grandfather Mountain once.
Yeah, it's a similar climate to here.
I saw a
It actually gets more
type
snow.
of cougar.
What?
They had a zoo. It's Grandfather Mountain.
Oh,
Like
yeah, yeah,
black
yeah.
bears,
I
cougar.
think my keys are slowly melted
Couple-
out.
I think it was an eagle that they were nursing back to health.
They do that too. Let me get my phone out.
It was wounded by a hunter.
It's in my, we're
It
good.
was like, how do you accidentally shoot an eagle? I'm not sure. What birds are you allowed to hunt? That
You gonna
look
stand
like
beside it so we can get a reference?
That's the
Yeah, hold on.
question.
Let's put these.
Oh, I meant to put my head on here. Oh, do you want to do that or put a hat on him?
Put a hat on.
Put that under it like his hair's sticking
Yeah,
out.
yeah, I like it. What you think?
It's working. And
Oh,
the dread sticking out the back.
Oh, I love this. This is beautiful. Oh, I love it.
Got it.
Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Yeah, up close real quick. Alright. We drove to the top of a mountain because we wanted to build a
I
snow.
like it.
This snow is so compacted.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be here for a while.
Oh, he's gonna be until April at the latest.
Unless they push him out of the way.
I'll push them out of the way.
I will come back up here and file a lawsuit.
Build them again.
Snowmen are
You gotta register him at the courthouse.
The population
law
of
where that's
Pocahontas
legal.
County just went up one.
Well,
We're in Pocahontas or Greenbrier up here.
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas population has went up by 1.
What's the snowman's name? Jeffrey?
We actually might. I think we're right on the border. Pocahontas County is literally like probably right there.
Archibald. I'm gonna name the snowman.
That's a good point, James. I love the smell of spruce. Smell
Can you
that.
make this into a tea?
Yeah, they do. Smells like Christmas. You can smell the
Yeah.
fresh part of it.
Yeah. They sell this at Walmart, but
Ooh.
it smells like cinnamon
Heck
because they think Christmas smells like cinnamon
Uh-huh.
and not pine needles. Are there any white pines up here or is it too high up?
It's too well. There is some at the entrance, but they were planted a long time ago. This was clear cut back in like the 20s. And dang it, LinkedIn. And then red spruce is the native spruce up here. It used to, these spruce trees used to be like this big around.
They
like
were
50
old
foot
growth still,
high.
weren't they?
Oh yeah. There's only one spot with old growth left.
On the East Coast, and it's somewhere
well,
near Spruce Knob.
It's Allegany Knob. It's the virgin spruce forest. There's some other old growth forest around, but
Yeah.
Allegany Knob was never logged ever.
Old growth there at Carnifax Ferry.
Yes.
I don't know how big it is, but
Yeah.
there's some pretty big trees down there.
Yeah, the
I've
big
seen.
hemlock forest over there.
Mhm.
That's pretty cool. I give up on the hair.
Been seeing pictures on Facebook of down Whipple by the Whipple company store,
Yeah.
and it's just clear cut. I'm
Yeah.
like, that does not look anything like it now. That's
Yeah.
wild.
Don't forget, you have to see your pack's still behind the tree, but you moved it up.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, the poncho's overkill.
It's not.
You want to build an igloo next?
Not really. I think I've built out my.
Like nude.
It's only noon.
Really? I don't actually have a decent.
Yeah, we can
sense
get
of
back
time.
to the truck and see what the scenic highway looks like, and then find somewhere to turn around not, and then go on back home if you want.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a picture underneath the spruce thicket.
Yeah, we could.
Let's do it.
And try to set up a fountain. We can all get in it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe. Oh yeah, I have remote photography
How does that work?
with my watch.
All
I
right.
want to get some photos for the gram so I can show off my flexibility.
I need to upgrade my phone.
I can my camera, I got a tripod, and I can control the whole camera and change aperture and everything from my phone.
Mm-hmm.
And like, it's cool for night shots because I can put it on the tripod and I can see what it looks like on my phone after it takes the photo, so I don't have to constantly go back out and readjust the camera.
Does it go through the tripod, or is it like?
I have like a little insert and I open it, slide it in and close it, and it secures it.
Oh.
But I can switch out that front for a GoPro or an iPhone or something.
Yeah. My phone, or my camera, is the Nikon Snap Bridge. Nikon makes their own app. You can do remote photography. Pretty much the same thing, I guess.
That's cool. Yeah, I think it is pretty much the same thing.
Then I can download pictures through it. I didn't realize I've been downloading all my pictures, all my really good
Get this
pictures.
right out.
All my really good pictures in 2 megapixels. And I was going to see about getting like some big prints of real good pictures.
Oh, that'd be epic. Here we go, here we go.
much. We're going a lot faster going downhill.
Yeah. Gravity's
Gate's
helping
right
us.
there.
Not to mention, I'm not dying because I don't have that poncho on.
So white. Yeah, the iPhone doesn't capture the depth that the actual camera would.
Yeah, that's where it has a smaller sensor.
Yeah. But I just didn't want to risk bringing my camera to get completely soaked.
Yours is full frame, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Mine's, what is it, APS-C? Is that the smaller sensor?
It's
Yeah.
like a half the size.
I think it's what mine is. Which, they make one that looks like mine. I think it's just called the F. I guess a C and FC stands for compact, maybe?
Yes, it does. And there's also C's for Canon stands for cinema.
Yeah.
But dude, I absolutely am ate up with photography right now.
I love it. I've been on it for years, which I don't think I'm excellent at it, but it's fun.
I've done pretty good, but also
I could have run the
really
camera because it wasn't that
expensive
bad.
lenses that make it way easier to start taking really good photos.
What did you say about lenses?
I have some really expensive lenses that make it really easy to start taking like very crisp photos.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, I just got regular lenses. The only expensive lens I have is that telephoto 600mm lens.
Catch
Yeah,
right on.
I want to see that.
Yeah, I got it in my box. If we stop somewhere and take pictures, I'll get it out and show you.
This is the foreshadowing of it. This is
Little guy.
Yeah, I guarantee y'all, this is the only accessible mountaintop around.
Here's the coal mine.
Yeah, that's literally it.
I'll let you have to do everything else by foot.
Yeah, like the scenic highway, I don't even think you could get on it. I really don't. Now, if you air down your tires, you might be able to if it could chisel past the first part. But the mountain there, I think Black Mountain's 47. It's 200 feet tall.
I'm sure we'll have signal for a little while.
This would be a perfect time for a winter camper.
It would.
Honestly, this temperature's not bad. Like for winter camping, this would be pretty chill. Nighttime
I
would be
regret missing out that one winter camper in the Gainesville.
Oh, dude, you missed the
When
best
the
one.
MREs didn't work.
When the
because it was
blizzard
frozen.
came through, holy crap.
We were trying to thaw it out over the fire, and it was burning the package. That's going to be the reason we get cancer later.
There's a reason to have cold weather MREs.
Yeah,
They mix an antifreeze with the ingredients.
you're good. We can keep walking.
Water?
This would be great out here in the spring too, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it's. I mean, you could drive right up to where we just hiked into the one in the spring. But the thing is, this place will keep snow till April.
So.
I've been snowed on in May before.
I'm unfamiliar about like open camping.
You can camp anywhere you want to right here.
Alright.
Yeah,
Now-
it's national forest all of it.
But they prefer you keep it on dedicated areas.
Yeah.
But if you're in like an area with designated camping, you have to camp in a designated site. But if you're in a wilderness zone,
Yeah.
they don't care.
Respect the
Yeah.
leave no trace.
Oh,
Yep, that's exactly it. They have signs over repeating that.
Well, that's the only kind of camping I know, so.
You'd be fine up here. That's why I love it so much. This is a big 1,000,000-acre playground.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm glad we decided to come up this road because
I want to get an off-road capable vehicle.
that dude's Tacoma right there is about as the ultimate as they get.
Yeah, the older generation don't have to worry about scratching up too much. Which mine has scratches on it, but I mean,
I
it's
was
not like
thinking-
gouged anywhere.
About getting like a 90s, one of those Dodge mini trucks,
Oh yeah.
lifting it a little bit. Because it's solid steel, so I don't have to worry. I can just bang out any dents. And they're relatively affordable, and old Dodge is pretty reliable. Just don't trust the power steering. That's what killed my grandpa.
Oh,
An 02 or an 03 Dakota. Power steering went out in the curve.
crank it.
I want a, I like 4Runners a lot, but I really like the FG.
I love that picture. Because everybody, I hope they ought to bring them back.
They released the Land Cruiser this year.
I want to moonwalk back to the truck.
What is it?
I want to moonwalk back to the truck.
Man, the wind's always picking up.
When we get back, there's going to be a tree laying across my truck.
More likely.
Got a chainsaw?
Oh, this is an epic shot right here.